What's up, YouTube? This is your boy here again, the Great Casby, and I have another unboxing video. Um, I have a couple of different things. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna do them all in one or do them separate. But basically, the first thing I have here is this bubble shield sunscreen, or what you call it, but the actual visor part for my motorcycle. And gonna go ahead and do a quick review and an install video. All right, so here's our bubble shield here. Just have to cut it open here, and hopefully we'll be able to get this bad boy installed. Well, not gonna lie, it's a little bit harder in one hand than I thought it would be. Alright, go ahead and check this out here. Now this doesn't seem to come with any hardware, so hopefully the screws that I already have, it should be enough. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Now I want to compare it to one I have now. So the one that I have now, this bike was laid down when I got it, and it's kind of cracked. So I want to go ahead and get this replaced. Alright. Let's go ahead and get our hardware together and see if we can get this one on. Alright, let's see if we can go ahead and get this out. I'm not sure if I have to remove this mirror or not. Possibly. So let's go ahead and get these screws out. I ordered this online, so hopefully it's a good fit for it. Screw right here. This one's in there pretty tight. Just put these down here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit bad about losing screws. So let's hope I don't lose any of these. Okay, and hopefully this is the last one. I'm not really sure. Yeah, and of course you can see this big crack right here in the fairings. New fairings coming hopefully pretty soon. So let's see. Okay, so it slides right out. So here's the old one right here. Let's compare it to the new one right here. Old, new, old. Alright, let's get this bad boy on here and hopefully complete this install. Just trying to slide this in here. on a second. Alright, so I actually had to take the mirrors off to get this in here, to get it to fit in between here, right here. Because I tried to put it in there without it, but it wasn't going. So let's try now. Now that we have the mirrors off, let's get this tucked under there. And pretty good fit right there. Just make sure we have it all the way in on each side. And it looks pretty good. Just have to put the screws in and make sure those line up properly. I mean, it looks pretty good though. A little bit of space in here on the fitment, but I think it's pretty good. So let's go ahead and put these screws back in and these mirrors on and see how it looks. Let's see here. Alright. So I'm back. So I actually had to go get hardware because this shield did not have any, and the screws that was originally in there, they didn't fit at all. So I went to White's Cycles down in Chattanooga and got some of these hardware right here, and I'm actually show you what the package looks like. So it looks like this, and you just take the little screw part out and it screws into this part right here. So you just pop that one right here into the bottom to the front of the shield and then screw it down in there. So definitely had to get that. So I actually got that back on, actually put the mirrors back on. So it's complete now. Here's what it looks like. Great fit, it's not going anywhere. Mirrors, everything's good, not going anywhere. So yeah, that's my review. Here's what it looks like from this side. Looks pretty great, and I actually love it. So here is the new one, and right here is the old one. And as you can see right here, it's got a little crack right there. Yeah, so that's trash. So yep, that's my review, and hope you liked the video. Drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment on the video, and appreciate you stopping by, and have a good one, YouTube.